Welcome to LTL News. I am Tellin and Ooze with today's top story. Layton Township Library is growing. With us for an interview on site is Gabbie. Hello, Gabbie. Can you hear me?
Hello, Tellin. I can hear you perfectly. Thank you for having me.
We are excited to have you. To start off, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Of course. My name is Gabbie, but most people call me Gardening Gabbie. I am new to Layton Township Library, and I'm very excited for this partnership.
How excited are you to be working with the library?
I am so excited that I could wet my plants. Just a little gardener joke for you. But really, I am so excited to start.
Gabbie, you look familiar. Are you sure you haven't worked with the library before?
I get that a lot. A few of my relatives have worked with Layton Township Library in the past, and we look so similar that people think that we are the same person. My relative Justine has worked at the library for as long as I can remember, and my other relative, Construction Carol, helped the library out during their expansion a couple years ago. Rumor has it that she is coming out of retirement to help me out on a few of our projects coming up. And Tellin, I'm pretty sure you and I are related too.
We do look like family. You have alluded to a project in a partnership. Could you give us some more details?
Most definitely. We are thrilled to announce that we are one of the recipients of the Improving Access to Information grant from the Institute of Museum and Library Services through the Library of Michigan. Our focus for our grant was to improve health and food literacy through programming, a seed library, and even a library garden.
That is amazing. How much was the grant for?
Our total requested amount was $14,821, and a big portion of those funds will be used to purchase raised garden beds, a storage shed, and seeding for the new garden.
Where's the garden going to be located?
It'll be on the south side of the property, just past the makerspace room.
When will everything begin?
We are starting the assembly of the raised beds soon. This will give us a head start this coming spring, having them in place already. As far as programs, they are starting fairly soon as well. However, majority of the gardening and food-focused programming will start in January.
We are excited to see all of these new ideas coming from the library this coming year. Is there anything else you would like to share? And how can people stay up to date with what's going on at the library?
We will be posting on our website and Facebook page all of the events coming up, as well as inside the library, so keep your eyes open there as well. And if you are on YouTube, feel free to check out the library YouTube channel. We have a bunch of videos that have already been posted that you can check out, but then we will also have future uploads with updates and projects and fun activities and so much more.
Thank you, Gabbie, for taking the time to talk to us today.
It's my pleasure. Thank you, Tellin, for having me.
Up next, Are Gnomes Real? This has been Tellin and Ooze. Thank you for watching LTL News.
Funding is provided in part by the Institute of Museum and Library Services through the Library of Michigan.